Want to split your payments but stick with Cash App? Here's how to use Afterpay with it, step by step. First, open the Afterpay app and head to My Afterpay Card section. And if you haven't set it up already, tap Add to Wallet and follow the prompts. This gives you a virtual Afterpay card you can use like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now open Cash App, tap the Banking tab, then select Add Card or go to your linked accounts. Add your Afterpay card info here, either manually or by scanning it. Once it's linked, go back to the Afterpay app, choose the store you want to shop at, and select Pay with Afterpay card at checkout. Just make sure you have enough available balance. Now head to the Cash App Card tab and make sure the Afterpay card is selected as your payment method. This way, when you tap to pay, Cash App will use the Afterpay card in the background. Make sure you have available funds on Afterpay. It only works with retailers that accept Afterpay in-store or online. And remember, Afterpay splits the total into 4 bi-weekly payments. And that's it. You're now using Afterpay through Cash App. Buy now, pay later. Made even easier. Like and subscribe for more Cash App tips.